In this question, we have the sum of four terms of AP is 50 and the greatest term is 4 times the least. Okay, we have 4 terms and the greatest term is 4 times the least. What the AP? We know how to define the terms which are in AP. If there are 4, that is even number. So I define the 4 terms as, let the 4 terms of AP is equal to, we know that is A plus D and A minus D are the middle terms. Next terms are A plus 3D and A minus 3D. Okay, these are the terms of AP and you are given the sum of these 4, that is 50. Let's get their sum. Their sum is equal to A minus 3D plus A plus D, A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D. We know all these will get cancelled. We remain with 4A. So 4A is equal to 50. Therefore, 4A is equal to 50 and A is equal to 50 by 4, which is 12.5. We got A now. Okay, we use the second condition. Greatest term is 4 times the least. Here it is the greatest term, it is the least term. So by condition, the greatest term, that is A plus 3D, is 4 times of the least, that is A minus 3D. Okay. So A, we have 12.5. So 12.5 plus 3D is equal to 4 of 12.5 minus 3D. Okay. So 12.5 plus 3D is equal to 4 into 12.5, 50 minus 4 3s are 12D. Let's transpose mutually, that is 12D to LHS, 12.5 to RHS. So 3D plus 12D is equal to 50 minus 12.5. So we remain with 15D is equal to 50 minus 12.5, 37.5. So D is equal to 37.5 by 15, we get 2.5, that is D value. Now we can write the AP. Okay. So this is also a simple question, 2 marks question. Whenever you get A and A, by taking the D value in all the terms, we can get the AP. That is the 4 terms of the AP. One more question. Okay, in this question, it is a quadrilateral and the angles are in AP and the difference between the two successive angles is 10 degrees. Find the angles. So it's clearly know that the common difference is D. There is D value. So how to define the 4 angles? Do you define in such a way as we defined in the previous question? It's not necessary. And we know here the sum of 4 angles in any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. I define the four angles in such a way usually as, let the angles is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay. Let's get their sum. We know the sum is 360 degrees. Let me add up this value in terms of A and D. A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D. I get A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4A plus D plus 2D plus 3D, total 6D. This is the sum of four angles in terms of A and D, but we know the sum of four angles in any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. I make this binomial equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, 4A plus 6D is equal to 360 degrees. We know the D value, but the common difference is 10. Let me take 10 here. Therefore, 4A plus 6 of 10 is equal to 360 degrees. Then 4A is equal to 360 minus 6 tens are 16. Therefore, 4A is equal to 300. Then A is 300 by 4, which gives 75 degrees. So we got the first angle of the quadrilateral A, that is 75. So can I find all the angles now. Therefore, A or angle 1 is equal to A is equal to 75 degrees. Okay. Angle 2, that is A2 is equal to 75 plus 10, that is A plus D, which is 85 degrees. Next, angle 3, which is A3 is equal to 75 plus 2D, which is 75 plus 20, that is 95 degrees. And the last angle, angle 4 is equal to, that is term 4, which is A plus, that is 75 plus 3D, that is 10. So 75 plus 30, which is 105 degrees. So we got all the four angles. Let's check whether sum is 360 or not. First angle 75 degrees, second 85, 95, 105, 4 5s are 20, 2, 11, 19, 26, 2. Okay. We got the sum of the four angles 360. Very simple question. Let's have one more question. Here we have the sum of three terms of AP and also sum of their cubes. We know how to define the terms which are in odd number. Let's define the terms in terms of E and D first. Let the three terms of AP is equal to A plus D and A minus D. Okay, you have the sum of these three terms, that is 12. Their sum is equal to 12. So what are they? These three. So A minus D plus A plus A plus D, whose sum is 12 by quotient. So we remain with 3A, which is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 by 3, which gives 4. So we got the A value. And also you are given the sum of their cubes, the cubes of all the 3 terms. Sum of cubes is equal to, that is, A minus D whole cube plus A cube plus A plus D whole cube. Okay. You know the cube of a binomial. Here the even terms are negative. Here all terms are positive. It is A minus D whole cube. It is A plus D whole cube. Since even terms are negative, these even terms and these even terms neutralize each other. So that means no second term in both the expansions. First and third term. The first term here, A cube minus 3A square D plus 3A D square. So I wrote the first and third term in the expansion. I write the same here. Plus A cube plus 3A D square plus the middle term A cube. What is the sum now? A cube, A cube, A cube. 3A cube plus 6AD square, 3AD square, 3AD square. 6AD square. So this is the sum of the cubes. This is given as 288, whereas we know already A value. Okay. I substitute A in the place of, I substitute 4 in the place of A throughout. Therefore, 3 of 4 cube plus 6 of 4 D square is equal to 288 by question. Therefore, 6 fours are 24 D square is equal to 288 minus 4 cube is 64. 64 3s are 192. So 192. So 24 D square is equal to 8 minus 2 6. 8 minus 9 9, 96. Therefore D square is equal to 96 by 24, which gives 4. Finally D square is equal to 4. So D is equal to root 4, that is plus or minus 2. Okay, plus or minus 2. So you have the A value, and for D you have 2 values. So that you get 2 APs. When you take the positive value of D, 1 AP, negative value of D, another AP. This is an important question. Okay. So you can write the AP. Don't end up the question here in the test. You have to write the AP both. That is, by taking the negative of D value, positive value of D, you get 2 APs. That is the end of your answer. Okay. Let's meet in our next video. In our next video onwards, we find the sum of the terms of AP, either from the beginning or from the last or from a section of AP. How to get the sum of the required terms of the AP. We find, and also we solve many important questions in our next video onwards. Thank you for watching. And also, please do subscribe if you do not subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I upload a video for you, you get the instant notification. So